That is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. So right in this video, as always, it's going to be a very simple unboxing and first look. And for detailed review, I'll put that to tomorrow's video. Make sure to subscribe, alright? Please subscribe because I'm going to compare with the iPhone 14 Pro and a bunch of other phones. I also did an unboxing of the Xiaomi Pad 6 and also the Xiaomi Band 8. Now let's get started. Now let's open it. Ooh. Woo! Some information on the packaging, totally new. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, that is the phone. Wow. Woohoo. Wow. 店长可以让我拍些稀奇那个的细节吗？ That's the brand new. Okay, brand new. Wow. Woo. So check out. The leather. There's a slight bump here, as we've seen in the previous leaked video, leaked pictures. Wow. That's the design. I will do a very detailed review tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Wow. Woohoo. Wow, the bump here. The bump seems a little bit let the manager connect with the Wi-Fi. The launch event is still going on. At the screen display, you can see the manager. Wow. Woo. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, we're checking other stuff. Like here in the first layer, we have the pin, some paperwork, and also that's the first picture of Leica, and also a phone case. But this phone case is not like this transparent one, this normal one. This one is really well made. You see, very well made with this kind of bump. Also the finish feels just good. On the lid, we have the charger, 19 watts charger, and also the Type-C cable, and that is the unboxing. I will do a very detailed review tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And we have the white color. This is the white color. And this is the green color. Check it out. It supports up to 120 times zoom. I will just take some photos and send here. Alright, let's take some quick videos like a selfie videos, 1080p 60 fps. Let's just take some. I think this is like the best camera. No jittering, no ghost effect, Wow. So right now it's 4K, 60 FPS. Ooh. So stable. Jeez. I will test more tomorrow, so stay tuned for the lights.